Hello everyone, welcome to the promo tab. My name is Bakari and today we'll be doing a Mexican mule. A mule typically is any kind of spirit along with ginger beer. I'm going to be using tequila today, hence the Mexican part. And yeah, let's get started. I'm a huge tequila file. It's by far my favorite spirit, so I'll drink these over the variants most days. I'm going to start with 3 little ginger coin. And I'm going to muddle that with a 1/4 wedge of lime and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Alright, so what we're trying to do is get the juice out of the lime and kind of the essence out of the ginger. So you want to push and twist. You know, most muddlers have little teeth on it. If they don't, you really want to just work that down into there. Let all those flavors get acquainted with each other. Little hand mix never helps either. Okay, now we're going to start with Reposado. Reposado tequilas are rested for less than a year, have a slight color to them and a slight smoothness. Do an ounce of the Reposado. Okay, we are going to get some ice. Shake this up real nice. Oh yeah, it smells great. I'm gonna get a glass. I'm using this skull glass. This kind of reminds me of the, oh, it just makes me laugh. I like it a lot. Now I'm gonna single strain that mixture into there. Now let's add some fresh ice. Let's go ahead and add our ginger beer. To about there, right about to the eyeballs. Having a lot of fun with this glass. So I'm going to pack fresh ice on top. Fresh crushed ice on top. And we're going to pour in an ounce of Anjeo tequila. Anjeo tequilas are aged for more than a year. Hence the name. Reposado means rested. Anjeo means yearling. Dump that right in there. I'll give it a generous few dashes of Angostura. Yeah, don't be afraid to get some on the glass. Having a lot of fun with this glassware. I'll be honest with you, glassware is one of my favorite parts about bartending. Such a geeky thing to be involved with, or to really appreciate, but I do enjoy it. We're going to grab fresh lime. And we're going to peel that bad boy, as always, because our guests are worth it. We're going to manicure our lime wedge. A little extra detail is all people usually want. people talk about difficult guests and stuff like that. It's kind of ridiculous, I think. I just think you catch people on good days, you catch people on bad days. We put ourselves in a position to reap the benefits, rewards, and also trials and tribulations of catching people on whatever day they happen to come in. That being said, here is our Mexican Mule.